friends, welcome to this video. Today I will explain the 6th class brainwave 1st chapter. So be till end with the video. So let's get started. Friends, first of all I will show the introductory video of the chapter number 1, animal groups. So first I will show you introductory video, after that I will show you description and I will make you understand about the description, and after that I will jump on fact corner and make you understand of fact corner, and after that I will explain the chapter in the activity column. So let's get started with the introductory video. Friends, this is called bulbul. You know bulbul. This is a very famous bird. They are gorilla. They are very much in quantity and they are very big too. This is a good man. This is a good man. He wears a helmet while he is walking. Platypus. Wallaby. She is thirsty. Snail. You have seen sail near you. Scorpion. Scorpion's name in Hindi is called bichu. Bichu is the scorpion's Hindi name. Seal. They are very good swimmers. Cockroach. There are different cockroach. Because I have seen red cockroach. Okay, this was our introductory video. This ends. Now I will jump on the activity column. First, the book will read, and after that I will explain you that word to word, sentence to sentence. Friends, I am saying that if you do not understand anything, you can comment me in the comment box. I say this in every video. I am saying this in this video also.
Lesson 1. Animal groups. Animals with certain basic common features have been put in a particular group by scientists. Mammals, reptiles, amphibians, rodents, etc. are some such groups.
Friends, animals with certain basic common features. Common features, you know, common features like your mobile feature. Mobile has some features: Play Store, Chrome, browser, internet, everything is the mobile's features. And the animals which has their own features. Like snake. Snake has a poison feature in it. A tiger has the feature that his front teeth are very sharp and very strong. It can tear anything, even a man. And phone's feature. But here this is the top of the animals. Then I am explaining now animals with certain basic common features. Animals with certain basic common features. Basic, not their special. Basic common features have been put in a particular group by scientists. जैसे हम folder बनाते हैं phone में, how we make folder in the phone, that's like this. Scientists have put them in different folders, different groups or different folders. Mammals, reptiles, amphibians, rodents, etc. are some such groups. Mammals, you know, who have 4 legs and who crawl like that only. Reptiles like snake, amphibians, rodents, etc. are some such groups. There are some such groups. Now I will jump on the activity column. Friends, I am again repeating that if you do not understand anything, any single thing, any word, anything, you can comment me in the comment box. I will explain you in your class next video. Spotlight is enabled now, and now I will explain you the fact corner.
Fact corner. Nocturnal animals are those which are active at night. Diurnal animals are active during the day.
Friends, nocturnal animals are those which are active at night. Nocturnal animal. Owl is the nocturnal animal's biggest example, as it is active at night. It can see in night, but it cannot see in the morning. And diurnal animals. Diurnal animals are active during the day, such like cat, dog, tiger, lion are the examples of diurnal animals. They sleep in night and work in morning. And nocturnal animals sleep in day and work in night. So I am going to disable the spotlight, and I am going on the activity column, and I will not do activity only there. I will explain the whole chapter to you, word to word, sentence to sentence. So please be till end with this video. Activity column is opened. Marsupials. Marsupials. The female of this group has a pouch in which she rears her young one. Marsupials, kangaroo is, I think so, an example of marsupials, but there is not there. Kangaroo's option is not there in this help box. I think so it should be wallaby. Pinnipeds, marine animals that have flippers instead of forearms. Everybody know what are marine animals, but if you don't know, I am going to explain what is marine animals. Marine animals are aquatic animal. Aquatic animal means the animals who live in water. Shark, fishes and whale and blue whale are the biggest examples of pinnipeds. So I think so it should be seal. And friends, I am telling you that forearms means our hand. Though that animal has no hand, just like shark, fish, he has a flipper which helps to swim. Use our hand, it uses our flipper to swim, and it can swim underwater because of its flipper. Understand? Monotypes, mammals that lay eggs. Everybody knows that mammals do not lay eggs, but this mammal lay eggs. I think so it should be platypus. Passerines, birds which perch. Perch means their young one. Birds which feed their young one, beg for food. बर्ड जो कि जिसके बच्चे उससे मांगते हैं खाना, और इंडियन नेस्ट उसके घर में ही, बाहर नहीं, बाहर किसी नहीं मांगते. विद देयर माउथ्स ओपन वाइड, वो जो ऐसे माउथ खोल के वो लोग खाना मांगते. ओनली वन बर्ड्स ऑप्शन इज देयर, दैट इज बुलबुल. आई थिंक सो इट शुड बी बुलबुल. Mollusks, soft-bodied animals which are mostly aquatic animals. Many have a shell. These animals have soft body. Soft body, you know what is soft body? Soft body, just like a baby's body, soft body, ekdam soft, ekdam cutesy. Which are mostly aquatic. I have told you that aquatic means animals who live underwater, but they are not all not lives. This mollusk, Only mostly. Some live on ground, some live in aquatic animals. They are called. Many have a shell. I think so it should be snail. Let me try snail. Primates, a group that includes lemurs. Lemurs, in Hindi it's langur. Langur. A group that includes lemurs, monkeys, apes in which gorilla comes, and humans. Obviously its answer should be gorilla because apes come in gorilla or gorilla comes in apes. Hexapods, creatures with 6 legs. Simple, creatures who have 6 legs are called hexapods. I think it should be cockroach. Let me try cockroach. Arachnids, 8-legged animals that can be venomous. They usually lay eggs. 8-legged animals. Animal who has 8 legs and it could contain venom, poison. They usually lay eggs. Or not lay eggs. Usually. So they are called arachnids. I think so scorpion should be its answer because scorpion is the last option. Check. We did it. Friends, I am telling you again that if you want any help, if you do not understand anything, you can comment me in the comment box. I will explain you in 6th standard's next video of Brainwave chapter number 2. So this was the end of our video. I will meet you in another video. Take care, stay fit, goodbye.